Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making the sorting hat from Harry Potter. So I'm starting out with a hat-shaped cookie here. I think this was actually a candy corn shape that I had kind of bent a little bit. You could use like a fin shape, and if you had a wizard hat shape, that'd be even better. So I'm starting out with a chocolatey brown royal icing, piping consistency with a number 2 tip, and I just outlined the outside, and I'm filling it in with a flooding consistency brown of the same color, and I'll use my scribe tool to get rid of any air bubbles and get all that icing where it needs to go. Now you want the background to dry for at least a few hours. I usually just leave mine overnight since I do my flooding one day and my detail the next, but you can do whatever works for you. I've got a paintbrush here that I've got some chocolate brown that I've mixed with a touch of vodka just to dilute it. And I marked in the opening of the hat on the bottom. And I'm kind of giving him some rough eyes, and as well as his little frowny face that he seems to have most of the time. So now that the opening of the hat has been done with the dye and vodka, as well as his little frowny face, we're going to do the rest of the details with a piping consistency chocolate brown, so the same icing that we used to outline him in the first place. And this is a number 1 tip this time, just to give me a bit of a finer detail. And I'm going over top of his eyes and going over top of his mouth to make it look a bit more frowny. And I'm also going in with some lines going inwards and downwards to create a lot more wrinkles and to give the hat a little bit more age. And there we go, the sorting hat from Harry Potter. So you can see how the rest of these turned out. And these are part of 3 different cookies that I'm doing for my little Harry Potter series here. So you can see the rest of the videos in my video library. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!